Dirty. Hessa. Hess. Yeah, look at this for Sunday the 25th of February. We have a snowstorm. And we're heading into the bison wood. Me and Rex are caught up in the snowstorm in the middle of the bison wood, and there's zero visibility. Zero. Oh, Rex looks like a white German Shepherd. Yeah, we're caught up in here. It's really dark as well. Good job I got my brolly because my camera is not waterproof. Although I don't usually have it up, my brolly, it's only for the camera. Just wanted to show you this beautiful day. We have a snowstorm. And we're going to get a lot more. You can see Rex is covered in it. I have bison over there, but I'm not going to push my luck today. Absolutely not. And we've got about 4 kilometres before we get home. And we've got to walk through the wood now.